going to discuss about inverse function. At first I will say range of f. What is range of f? Range of f is just the image set. That means f of x such that x belongs to x. Okay? That imply y belongs to y. There exists x belongs to x such that f of x equal to y, which contain y. And if f is onto that imply range of f equal to y. Have you understood? Okay. Let's see the inverse function. Inverse function. Let f be bijective. Bijective means both 1 1 and on 2. Both 1 1 and on 2. Okay. Let f is bijective from x to y. Then the inverse of f means f inverse is the function y to x, defined as f inverse y equal to x if f of x equal to y. Have you understood the definition? Let's check the definition. Let f be bijective means both 1 1 and on 2 from the f function from x to y. Then the inverse of f, which is denoted by f inverse, is the function y to x, defined as f inverse y equal to x if f of x equal to y. Okay. Since f is onto, that means there exists x belongs to x such that f of x equal to y. Okay. And since, because inverse function means both 1 1 and on 2, and since f is 1 1, then such x is unique. Have you understood? Okay. That means there cannot be more than one x. That means define that x inverse of y as f inverse from y to x This is called, that is called inverse of f. Have you understood? Okay. Let's see the diagram. This is x, this is y. Let x maps to y and this is f. F inverse is also map y to x. This is F inverse. That range of, this is the range of F inverse and this is domain of F inverse. In symbol, domain of F equal to range of F inverse and range of F equal to domain of F inverse. Have you understood? Okay. Let's see this by a example. This is x, this is y. Let 1 maps 5. Let 1 the element of the domain 1, 2, 3, 4 and element of the codomain 5, 6, 7, 8. Let 1 map to 5, 2 map to 7, 3 map to 6, 4 map to 8. And F inverse is, here this is x and the element 1, 2, 3, 4. Since 1 map to 5, that means 5 maps to 1. Since 2 map to 7, that means 7 map to 2. Since 3 maps to 6, that means 6 map to 3. Since 4 map to 8, that means 8 map to 4. And this is the F inverse and this is F. Have you understood the whole thing? Okay. Now I will see the composite function. Composite of a function. There are 3 non-empty sets, x, y and z. Let F map x to y, G map y to z. Then we can say composition of a function which is denoted as is, we call it G compose F. That means is which is equal to G compose F map x to z. Have you understood? Okay. Let's see the diagram. This is x, this is y and this is z. F map to F x to y, G map to y to z. And this is the G compose F. Have you understood? Okay. And let's see codomain of F equal to domain of G. Okay, right. And domain of G compose F equal to domain of F, and codomain of G compose F equal to codomain of G. Have you understood? Okay. If we take random element x, then after f, I will get f of x. Okay. Now, beginning with fx, now I will apply g. Then I will get the final result g of f of x. Have you understood? That means G compose fx equal to G of fx for all x belongs to x. This is look like a series of machine. If we put one input, a machine, then I will get the output fx. Then in other machine, this is the input. Then I will get g of fx. Have you understood? And in G compose F, domain of G compose F equal to domain of F, and codomain of G compose F equal to codomain of G. That means in G compose F, first operate F, then followed by G. And if F compose G, then first operate G, then followed by F. That means in general, F compose G not equal to G compose F. Have you understood? Okay. Let's see an example. F from R to R such that f of x equal to x square. Okay. And G from R to R such that g of x equal to 2x plus 3. Now find f compose G and G compose F. Have you understood? F compose Gx equal to F at F compose G, that means first followed G. What is G? G is 2x plus 3. Then apply F. What is F? F equal to x square. That means the result will be 2x plus 3 whole square. And G compose fx equal to, first apply F. What is F? F equal to x square. That means G of x square. And Gx equal to, we know, 2x plus 3. That imply 2x square plus 3. That means this is F compose G and this is the value of G compose F. Have you understood? Okay. Now, the composite of inverse function states that a function and its inverse related by following equation. Observe that f of f inverse x equal to x for all x in domain of f inverse, and also f inverse f of x equal to x for all x in domain of f. Have you understood? And it is the good to check the map has inverse. This is the good way. Let's see an example. Fx equal to x plus 2. We all of us know f inverse x equal to what? F inverse x equal to x minus 2. Now apply these rules. F of f inverse x. This is equal to f of x minus 2. This is equal to x minus 2. What is x? X plus 2 plus 2 equal to x. And f inverse f of x equal to x plus 2 minus 2. This is also equal to x. That means if these both relation hold, that means f inverse exists and this is also bisective function. This is one way to check a function is bisective or not. Have you understood? Okay. Let's see the inverse function visually. Let this is A and this is B. That means this is the coordinate AB. What will be the inverse? Just this is BA. And look at, this is nothing. This is just reflection about y equal to x. That means here the coordinate of AB, here the coordinate of f inverse BA is just reflection about the axis y equal to x. That means graphically inverse function is the mirror image with respect to y, the line y equal to x. Have you understood? Okay. Let's see one picture of the graph of inverse function. Let fx equal to 2x plus 4. What is f inverse x? F inverse x equal to half x minus 2. Just calculate it. I know my all viewers can calculate it easily. Now let's see the picture. 2x plus 4. Here 4. This is the graph of 2x plus 4, and if f inverse x equal to half x minus 2, that means here minus 2, that means the graph will be half x minus 2. This is f inverse x and this is fx. This is nothing. This is just reflection of y equal to x line. This is fx and this is f inverse x, and F inverse x is reflection of y equal to x. This is just mirror image. Have you understood? Okay. See you soon.